Hartman Adventures at them, man. Wagwan people, wagwan. Dre again out here on another adventure. Well, not really another adventure, but come a country, come look for some family. Over a weekend, go out yesterday, get a top and I decided to bring it come a country. Bring it up last night and did fry it up outside and thing, but it went too dark, so they didn't bother roll out no camera for that. So you guys didn't get to see any of that, but we came up yesterday evening and it was pretty rainy, so I couldn't bring the car up to the house. So now I'm going to try to see if I can bring up the car. As you guys can see, there's no paved road at this section, so the car was just skidding and couldn't really get it up to the house. So now I'm coming back for the car. I left it on the road last night, coming back for it now, see if I can bring it up. So let's hope that this time I can get it up the hill. So you guys just stay tuned. We're going up and we're almost there, so I think we might make it all the way up to the house. We made it. So when we're in country, we are just in tune with nature. Guys, just look all around. Look all around, guys, look all around. See that? That's just fruit trees. So there are some banana trees, this is a tangerine. They are super sweet. I'm gonna get one shortly. Some tangerine. We have some oranges up there. We have some banana trees up there as well. Coconut tree down there. We have so many fruit trees up here, guys. It's unbelievable. So many fruit trees. Hey, check out this guy. Check out this little brother. What's up? Come here. What's up? What's up? He's a little shy today. So many things up here for us to just indulge ourselves in, and we can feel like one with nature. There's a tangerine right there. Can you see it? It's right there. Oh, I can't reach it. And try jump and get it. Where is it? Look at that. They're so sweet. So yes, there's another one right here. Oh. See these orange trees? A lot of oranges. So Yeah. Here's another tangerine. This one is much bigger. Not even gonna wait and then pick this one and start peeling it. See that? Can't get any more natural than that. There's nowhere you can go to a supermarket there's no supermarket you can go to and get fruits this sweet or this natural. That's from farm, not even to your table, to your belly. See that? Right banana, right there. So anything at all we want, it's right here. Look at the crazy ones.
Hi guys.
Hey Ellie, you want some tangerine? There you go.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my land.
Fair country.
Yes, my country.
Right now, I try to fill my belly with some orange or some tangerine, whatever else we can find. Whatever else we can find. Let's see if we can fill the belly. So, stay tuned and we'll see you later. This is the exact spot that we were frying the fish last night. You can see some of the remnants. There's one fire right there. There's another fire right here. Where's the container? There's a container over there that we had a fire in. So we just make up the fire right here. So last night, sit down outside here so and fry up and eat. Come here, buddy. So when I told you guys that when we are up here you can't feel any more in tune with nature. I spotted some. Oh, seen there.
There's another one right behind the tree there.
Hee hee. Kitten. So as I was saying, when you're up here, you can't feel any more in tune with nature than this. You're in the center of nature. So many fruits, so many vegetables, so many animals. There's a little stream here. It's not flowing now, but there's a little stream. It's not flowing.
So guys, the last time we were here, the star fruit trees were loaded. They're not loaded now, but look at that. They'll be back in short order. Those are blossoms.
So we're going fishing now. I see everybody with them fishing pole. But we're going up the hill rather than down. So this ain't no seaside fishing that we're doing today. This is pond fishing. And the pond is up the hill. So see you guys up there. So we are finally here. It's a small pond and it's a little bit grassy. The pond want to clean, but it's rainy time now, so the grass is pretty much growing faster than you can imagine. You can see some tiny red ones in there. Can feel the rain falling somewhere. I don't think we're going to stay up here too long. Should have come up here from morning. You can see like over that side rain starting to fall over that side, and then it's getting really dark over where we are at. Wow, got a little tug a while ago. So Ash over there using our fishing rod, but Ellie's rod is over the other side, and Ellie's rod is too short. There's just too much grass at the edge of the pond. Go on, we are wait pan. Take it along with it. We can stay right outside the grass there. We can stay right at the edge of the grass. Ouch. Still no bites yet, guys. Still no bites yet. Ash caught a little one before. It was really small, about 4 inches. And then you can see our baba is just tugging. There's some small ones that a bite, guys. None of the big one them now bite so far. See a lot of the small ones in there, especially over the other side. What's in your shoes? Where you get stone in your shoes? Come. Come, push down your foot. Push down. There you go. Come, let's go get your rod. Good. That way. We're going down. We're going home. Alright guys, that's it for the country fishing expedition. We didn't get anything at the pond. It's just some small tick. Nothing to really capture or anything like that. We just put them back in the water. So it's getting late in the evening now, so we're going to go home. We're going to go back to the house, get our stuff ready, and then head home. Have about an hour and a half drive to go home, so it's time to get sorted and then head out. So thanks for tuning into this video, and see y'all in the next adventure.